Modeling clay snowman. Let's take white clay and divide it into two unequal parts. Make two balls for a snowman body. Then, join two balls using a stick, match or toothpick. Create two tiny balls of dark clay for eyes. Make holes and inset eyes. Now, let's make a smile using a stick or any other suitable tool. Make a hole on Snowman's head and then insert an orange clay carrot there as a nose. Make feet of two white balls of clay, flatten them and fix on the snowman's body. Now, let's make arms. Create two sausages. One of the ends should be sharper than the other one. Bend them a bit and attach to the sides of the body. Give the festive caramel to the snowman. For making a caramel, create two equal in size color balls, then make two sausages and twist them into a spiral. Cut the edges and make a hook. Insert the caramel between the snowman's belly and arm. Let's knit a scarf for our snowman. Make 4 sticks of 2 different colors, make them thin enough. Then twist 2 sticks of different colors, 2 clockwise and 2 counterclockwise. Then join the spirals so that you'll have loops. Comb the edges and wrap the snowman in this scarf. Make fringes of small clay sticks. Create the same joint spirals for a cap. Wrap the snowman's head beginning from the back end. As a result, we have a snowman in a lovely cap. You can also make a pom-pom of small clay pieces. Subscribe to our channel and get new tutorials on how to make simple and lovely miniatures.